All right, this is the beginning on learning how to play Nhemamusasa on the Kalimba for all y'all in Savannah with a Kalimba. So your left hand, first phrase. There's 6 notes for each phrase. So again, that was your first phrase. Second phrase. Third phrase goes up. Fourth phrase back down. So you're going to get that smooth. Now with the right hand, it alternates, so it goes like this. First phrase, and then you pluck down with your index finger on the top row. So right, so it's 2 down, then 1 up. And then it does 1, 1, 1. So then the third phrase. Then the fourth phrase just stays in the middle. So again, putting them all together. Two, three, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now to put both the hands together, you start with your left hand and then it's just alternating. So slowly it's oh, you know what? I went up early. I'm sorry. First phrase, both hands together. And stay. Second phrase. Third phrase. And fourth phrase. So all together. You want to be able to play it at least this fast to be able to play with the other kalimbas and mbiras.